students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let us continue the lesson, the 100 dresses part 1. In our previous session, we came to know that while Wanda was standing in the schoolyard and watching the little girls play hopscotch, other girls used to surround her and they used to ask how many dresses she had. Then Wanda would reply that she had 100 dresses. Then all the girls would exclaim 100 dresses. And little girls used to stop their play and they used to look at Wanda. Now let's continue the lesson. Yeah, 100 all lined up, said Wanda. Once again, Wanda said, yeah, 100 all lined up, said Wanda. All lined up means I have kept all those dresses in a line inside my closet. Then her thin lips drew together in silence. Then she used to close her lips. She used to become silent. What are they like? All silk, I bet, said Peggy. Then Peggy said, what are they like? All silk, I bet. I think they are all made of silk. Yeah, all silk, all colors. Wanda would reply, yes, they are all made of silk and they are all of different colors, all colors. Velvet too? Again, Peggy would ask her, velvet too? Do you have velvet dress also? Velvet, it is also a kind of cloth. Yeah, velvet too. 100 dresses. Wanda would repeat, stolidly, all lined up in my closet. Again, Wanda used to say, yeah, velvet too. I have velvet dress also. 100 dresses. Totally, I have 100 dresses. Wanda would repeat stolidly. She used to repeat stolidly. Stolidly means not showing any feeling. Okay. Casually, she used to give answer. All lined up in my closet. They are all lined up in my closet. Closet means cupboard or wardrobe. Then they would let her go. And then before she would gone very far, they couldn't help bursting into shrieks and peals of laughter. After this, they used to leave her to go. And then before she would gone far, before she was going far away from that place, they couldn't help bursting into shrieks and peals of laughter. They could not control their shrieks and peals of laughter. Here, shrieks and peals of laughter means loud laughter. The girls used to laugh loudly. Okay. Because they always saw Wanda was wearing one faded blue dress, but she was telling she had 100 dresses. That's why all the girls used to laugh. 100 dresses. Obviously, the only dress Wanda had was blue one. She wore every day. So, why did she say she had 100? What a story. They used to talk to themselves, those girls. 100 dresses. She is telling she has 100 dresses. Obviously, the only dress Wanda had was the blue one she wore every day. Every day she used to wear the same blue color faded dress. So, why did she say she had 100 dresses? Why she has to tell like that? They used to talk to themselves. What a story. It is a story. She is telling a lie. How many shoes did you say you had? Another day, they used to ask her, how many shoes did you say you had? Then Wanda would say, 60 pairs. all lined up in my closet. Wanda used to reply, I have 60 pairs of shoes. They are all lined up in my closet. Cries of exaggerated politeness greeted this. All alike? Okay. Then there would be cries of exaggerated. Exaggerated means overstate, in a over manner. Girls used to show politeness. Here they were showing politeness to make fun of Wanda. They did not have any respect towards Wanda. In order to make fun of her, they used to talk to her in a polite manner, courteous manner. Okay? All alike? Your shoes, they are all alike? Are they same? Then Wanda used to reply, oh no, every pair is different. All colors, all lined up. Wanda used to reply, no, every pair is different. Different color and different design. All colors, all lined up. They are all lined up in my closet. Peggy, who had thought up this game, and Maddie, her inseparable friend, were always the last to leave. Yes, Peggy and Maddie. Peggy is inseparable friend of, Maddie is inseparable friend of Peggy. They used to leave last. Okay, they used to ask more questions to this girl, Wanda Petronsky. Finally, Wanda would move up the street. Finally, after Peggy and Maddie leaving that place, Wanda used to leave that place. Her eyes dull, her mouth closed. Her eyes, they used to be very dull. She used to feel sad because of such kind of questions about her dresses and shoes. So her eyes dull and her mouth closed. She used to close her mouth, hitching her left shoulder every now and then in the funny way she had. Yes, while walking, her left shoulder, it used to hitch. Hitch means to pull with jerk. It used to jerk sometime. Okay, while walking, now and then it used to jerk all of a sudden. It was very funny way she had. Finishing the walk to school alone. Like this, she used to finish her walk to school alone. Okay. While she was coming to school, girls used to ask such questions. After asking the questions, Wanda used to come alone. Okay. Peggy was not really cruel. She protected small children from bullies. It doesn't mean Peggy was bad girl or cruel girl. She was very sensitive girl. Peggy was not really cruel. She protected small children from bullies. She protected small children from bullies. Bullies means those who use their strength or power to frighten weaker people. Who use their strength in order to frighten weak people. Okay. Many times some elder boys, they used to give troubles to small children. That time Peggy protected small children. She was a good girl. And she cried for hours if she saw an animal mistreated. And she cried for hours if she saw an animal mistreated. If anybody mistreating animals, she used to feel sad about that. She used to cry hours for that. If anybody had said to her, don't you think that is a cruel way to treat Wanda? Then if anybody asked her, why you are so cruel with Wanda? Why you are treating her in that manner? Is it not cruel? Then she used to say, she would have been very surprised. Hearing that, she would become surprised. She used to become surprised. Cruel. Why? Why did the girl say she had 100 dresses? What is cruel in it? Why that girl has to tell she had 100 dresses? Anybody could tell that was a lie. Anybody could tell that was a lie, because we know she has only one dress, but always she tells she has 100 dresses. So it is a lie. Why did she want to lie? Why she is always telling lie? And she wasn't just an ordinary person else. Why did she have a name like that? She was like others. Okay, Wanda is like other girls. Then why she must have such kind of a strange name? Okay. Anyway, they never made her cry. Okay. But fortunately, they never made Wanda cry. They used to ask questions, they used to make fun of her, they used to make jokes on Wanda, but they did not make her to cry. That is the happy thing. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.